All right, guys, after the customer has already relayed to you what's going on, what their concern is, what they're experiencing with the vehicle or whatnot, next thing, guys, obviously you already ran the codes, you already seen what codes are stored in there. Make sure obviously you take a picture of them so you have them stored for yourself, just in case after the repair there's a check engine light, you can confirm, make sure it was already there, you created it, whatever you need to do there, guys. Very next thing, guys, depending on the situation that's happening, the very next thing you need to access, guys, is data stream. You need to look at live data, guys. If you're having a hard start situation, you need to go ahead and access things like crankshaft positioning sensor, battery voltage, camshaft. That's actually cam and crank synchronization. This is camshaft positioning sensor status. Obviously, different vehicles are going to be different thing, guys. But you need to look at data. You need to look, if it's a hard start, you need to see what the fuel pressure, if it has a PID for fuel pressure, point of data. If it's overheating, you need to access different temperatures, take it out for a test drive, monitor the data that you're looking at on the scanner, and things like that, guys. Your data will give you everything you need to know, guys. So very next step is data, guys. Access your data.